So what is currently going on is I am shooting my next music video. Which video is this? This is, oh, it's dark as hell. Last night in Havana. The opening scene is me coming out of my bedroom into the bathroom, me meditating, and then going into like a place inside my head where I deal with my inner person, my inner me. But to show you this lighting setup. So I got the camera set here. I already shot one scene coming out of the bathroom. You know, let me turn the lights on. I got one light set out here, out in the hallway, to cast light on me when I come out of the room. I shot one scene already from this angle, coming out of the room. All right. Now that I got the other light on with my reflector board so that all the light can reflect off of that back onto me, the subject, coming out of the room at that angle right there. And then I'm going to shoot another scene because, as you can see, the camera set up right here. So I'm going to shoot another scene coming out from here, coming out of the room, going into the bathroom. So in the midst of, you know, having a lot of going on, it's going to be cool. It's going to work out. I have to make new videos to showcase the quality, how the video quality has changed, how this, you know, the overall everything of the video quality changes, the image, the actual video having a storyline, a theme, a narrative, or whatever you want to call it. So I'll work on it once I get it in post, and, you know, work on how I wanted the color to look, try to get the way I want it to look. I actually did storyboard this actual video. Yeah, it's definitely the best way to go about doing it. Writing out your own, storyboarding your videos. They don't have to be, this is not even intricate in detail. They get more detailed and specific than this. But if I were to have a DP shoot this video for me, somebody else, I can give them that and they can get a gist of what the angles and shots, and it can come out looking remotely close to exactly what I want. With that, we have a blueprint of what I'm looking for, and you know what I mean, it works out. And that helps you to develop a very good attention grabbing, attention holding video, story, film, whatever you want it to be. What you're trying to capture in this image on the screen to portray to or project onto the viewer. What emotion or what feeling am I trying to get these viewers to express based off of this scene right here? Like, what am I trying to draw out of my audience? So if you're making music videos, storyboarding, treatments, shot lists, it really will change the dynamic. Your video can go from being something with great lighting, great view, imagery, you know what I mean, as far as the picture quality and all of that, and have no soul because you didn't actually think it through and build out so that you can get exactly what you want. It's displayed across the screen. And so this is just you know, one of the major steps in creating any visual art. You know what I mean? Any visual art that's going to be on video, any videography that you want to display. If you're going to show somebody, if you're going to put together a commercial for somebody, you want to storyboard. If you're going to do a music video, storyboard. Movies are storyboarded. You know what I'm saying? So whatever, you want to storyboard it. Even podcasts and all of that, you want to storyboard. It may be even simpler because as a show, you already have set angles that you know you're going to go with. But those set angles that you are already going to go with were storyboarded. So when you are building your story for your video, it adds more depth to your video. It makes it more interesting, more That's not, I can't even say that together because it's not right. I was going to say more better. It makes it better. Practice. I actually, my last video, my Ali MGF video, I started storyboarding that video and did not follow my storyboard for that video. And I was mad that I didn't follow the storyboard that I had for that video. And I actually just looked at it, but I fully storyboarded this one out, all the way out. What was going to be the experience, what my character was going to go through, what they were going to be wearing. Oh my God, wardrobe. Dude, I got wardrobe written down in my storyboard. You need wardrobe, bro. You want that to be purposely effective. Watch this. So as we can see, we have the camera set low to the ground here. I did not use my light, even though I have my light mounted. That's neither here nor there. You can see Oprah Winfrey's face here on the floor. There is a plethora of books and magazines and even a matchbox utilized in order to acquire said angle. You feel me? So the little ways, little tips and tricks that you can use to achieve the camera angle and the type of shot that you desire for your vision. You feel me? So I'm gonna keep going. Make some things happen. I'll get with you later. On to the next scene. I have shot all the opening scenes for the Last Night in Havana music video. And it's on to the next scene. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, subscribe to my channel. Let me get a like down here so YouTube will know what's going on. And hit that notification bell also. And I mean, leave a comment too. Alright?
Hey, yo, you know how you be trapped in your motherfucking skull, bro? Deep in your thoughts, and then that nigga in the inside start spitting some shit back? This how my conversation sound like. My last night in Havana, better not miss the flight. Never wanna be stuck in some shit again like this, alright? And I don't even know how.